Are you traveling for the first time? Feeling excited but also a little overwhelmed? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the ultimate to-do list for first-time travelers so you can explore stress-free. Let's go. Step 1. Do your research. First thing first, research your destination. Look up the best attraction, weather, currency, and safety tips. A little planning goes a long way in making your trip smooth and fun. Step 2. Set out your travel documents. Next, check your passport. Make sure it's valid for at least 6 months beyond your trip. Also, research visa requirements. Some countries need pre-approval while others allow visas on arrival. Step 3. Plan your budget and money exchange. How much should you budget? Research average daily cost for food, transportation, and activities in your destination. Also, inform your bank about your travel plans to avoid blocked cards. Step 4. Pack smart and light. Overpacking is a first traveler's mistake. Stick to essentials and check the weather forecast before packing. Always pack a power bank adapter, comfortable shoes, and a lightweight day pack. Step 5. Stay connected. You don't want to be lost in a new country with no internet. Check if your phone has international roaming or buy a local SIM card at the airport. Step 6. Transportation and accommodation. Make sure you book at least your first night accommodation in advance. Also, research local transport. Will you need a metro card, a ride-sharing app, or is walking the best option? Step 7. Learn basic local phrases and customs. A simple hello or thank you in the local can go a long way. Also, check for cultural etiquette. Things like tipping, greetings, and dress code vary in different countries. Step 8. Pack a small first aid kit. You never know when you'll need a band-aid or a headache medicine. Pack a small first aid kit with essentials like pain relievers, motion sickness pills, and any prescription medications. Step 9. Learn emergency contacts. Save the local emergency numbers, your embassy contact detail, and your hotel's phone number just in case you need them. Step 10. Try local food. Food is a huge part of travel. Try local dishes but be mindful. Check reviews and avoid street food that looks unhygienic to prevent food poisoning. Step 11. Bring a portable charge. Your phone is your lifeline when traveling. Maps, translation, booking. A portable charger will save you from dead battery panic. Step 12. Check weather forecast. Don't get caught off guard. Check weather and pack accordingly. Bring a compact umbrella. Pack breathable clothes. Step 13. Book tickets in advance. Skip long lines by booking tickets online. Many attractions offer discounts for advanced bookings. Step 14. Be aware of scams and pickpockets. Tourists are easy targets for scams and pickpockets. Keep your valuables secure, use anti-theft bags, and avoid overly friendly strangers asking for help with money. Step 15. Stay open-minded and have fun. Travel is about new experiences. Don't stress about perfection. Be open to meeting people, try new food, and embracing the unexpected. What's your dream travel destination? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips. Thank you.